Hello, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Mela?
I'm good. I
Okay.
forgot to meet.
Okay, I see. What did you do today, Mela? Did you sleep? Did you sleep? I know.
No,
No, you did not. Did you go to school? Did you go
now
to school? Oh, no, you did not as well. Okay, so what did you do? What did you do in the morning?
play Roblox.
Oh, okay, interesting. So you played Roblox the whole morning. What about in the afternoon, Mela? The afternoon.
Play Roblox.
Okay. Are you eating?
Yeah,
I see. What are you eating, Mela? Is that your breakfast or lunch?
breakfast.
Okay. So you eat breakfast so late, Mela. It's supposed to be lunchtime now because it's 12. So now let us have this one, Mila. Look at the picture, right? Five sentences about it. Okay, so you have to use, or you may use the words in the box to help you. We have here at the airport, Mila. Write five sentences about the picture.
Hãy viết 5 câu về bức tranh.
Okay, can you do it, Mila?
Can I read it?
Uh, Here, Mila. Oh, do you want to hear it again?
Hãy viết 5 câu về bức
Can
tranh.
I?
Here, Mila. Okay, here it is. This is the picture, Mela, of course, and here are the words that you may use in making sentences.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, can you make five sentences now? What's your first sentence, Mela? First sentence.
Can I read it?
Okay, you can do that.
Um.
Take your time, Mela. Are you ready now, Mela?
Wait.
Okay, that's fine.
Can you give me an example sentences?
Okay, yeah, sure. Oh, I can give you just one example, of course. One example, Mela. So we have here the word crowded, Mela. It means there's a lot of people in one place, right? So you can say the airport is crowded. Okay, that's the example, Mela. The airport is crowded.
Um, the the pilot the pilot is going back.
Okay, the pilot is going back. Yes, very good, Mela. That's correct. Or you can say the pilot is carrying a suitcase. Okay, yes. Still, that's okay. The pilot is going back. Or the pilot is leaving. Okay, next one, Mela.
Um,
Four more sentences, Mela. Okay, so we're done with crowded. We're done with pilot. Next one.
um, can you translate the trolley?
Okay, yes, wait. Trolley.
Xe đầy.
This one, Mela.
Um,
You can say
a
the
mouse
man.
is
A man is, or the man is. Continue, Mela.
a man is pushing the trolley.
Okay, very good. The man is pushing the trolley. Or yeah, a trolley. Okay, next one. Okay, so we're done with trolley. What about luggage, Mela? Luggage. Like this, Mela, luggage. It is where we put our things when traveling. Luggage. I know you can do it,
Wait,
Mela. Yes. Take your time, Mela. That's okay.
the pilot is carrying luggage.
Okay, yes. The pilot is carrying a luggage. Very good, Mela. Last two, Mela, last two.
Um,
This is the counter, Mela, counter. This one. This one. This is the counter.
um, there are many people entering the shop.
Okay, yes, very good. There are many people entering the shop. That's correct, Mela. Okay, last one now, Mela.
Wait,
Yeah, take your time. Anyway, it's the last one.
there are many people wait to book.
What, Mela? Can you say it
Um,
again?
there are many people where
Okay, so you can say there's a long queue of people, Mela, which means there's a long line. It is something that we can see in the counter. Okay. So right there. Now, Mela, since we're done making sentences, which you did great, Mela, let us have this one. I want you to use your imagination again and create your own answer. So, imagine that you are a farm animal, Mela. Wait. Use your imagination and create your own answer. Imagine that you are a farm animal. What would you be?
Hãy sử dụng trí tưởng tượng của bạn và tự tạo ra câu trả lời. Hãy tưởng tượng bạn là một con vật nuôi trong trang trại. Bạn sẽ là con vật nào?
okay.
What? You want to be a duck?
Um, I think um a sheep.
Oh, you want to be a sheep. Okay, interesting, Mela. Now, if you were a sheep, then where would you live? Where would you live?
In a farmer.
Oh, in the farm, of course. What would you eat? What would you eat? You will eat.
Mm, I think
Study. What would you eat, Mela?
a grass.
Oh, you will eat grass. Okay, so you don't need any money to buy that. Okay, what help would you give to the farmer? What help would you give? Okay, wait, let me translate it. What help would you give to the farmer?
Bạn sẽ giúp đỡ người nông dân như thế nào?
What can a sheep help or give to the farmer, Mela? It's
I think I don't know.
it's wool, Mela. It's wool. It's wool.
Nó được làm từ len.
Or the meat itself.
Okay.
Yes, because it's used to make clothes, Mela, for warm. I mean for to keep people warm. Okay? So these, Mela, they can get that. And of course, by that, the farmers can earn money. Okay? So, do you think you would be happy as a farm animal? Would you be happy if you were a sheep?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you would. Okay, Mela, thank you. Now, let us have writing. Okay, so in here, yes, Mela, you have to write your answer. I'm so sorry. Okay, so you have to use full stops, capital letters, question marks where it is necessary. So, can you write your answer for the first one?
Right.
Take your time, Mela. Are you writing your answer now, Mela?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Uh, mm, okay.
Okay, now how cake mother knows to a bake? Is it? What about for the second one, Mela? What is your answer?
Mm, Teacher, you offer me.
Wait, I realized it just now, Mela. Okay, so how many students there are in your class? Okay. Continue answering, Mela. I will change your answers. Okay, are there in your class? Okay. So in here, mother. Okay. What about three, Mela? I'm not on mute this time. Three. The school at Sharon eats canteen. Okay, Sharon eats canteen at the school. Okay, now canteen, Mela, it is a place at school where students can eat their meal or their snacks. Okay, so it's as well referred as cafeteria, canteen.
Căng tin,
Okay, so it or cafeteria.
nhà
I
ăn,
know it.
Oh, you know it. Okay, so it should be she eats, Mela, she eats at the school canteen. Okay, where does she eat? She eats at the school canteen. Okay, not she eats canteen. Because when you say she eats canteen, it means that she's eating the canteen, not she's eating at the canteen. Okay, so you can we have another word here. You can say she eats pho. Okay, she eats pho at the school canteen, which means what is she eating at the school canteen? Pho. Okay. Now, are you answering for? Okay. Why? Why you are late for school? It should be why are you late for school, Mela? Why are you late for school? And the last one, Mela. Okay, I saw many animals at the zoo. Very good. That's correct. Now, yes, we're done with the discussion today, Mela. So, tomorrow what I want you to do is to give me the answers again for this exercise, okay? Just for a review, Mela, to see if you can still remember it. Now, I believe that would be all. Thank you so much and you can eat now, Mela. Goodbye, Mela.
Goodbye, teacher.